You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting vocabulary that too many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. In British English it is said as Inuit, stress on the first syllable, I-nu-et, Inuit. In American English, however, this is generally said as Inuit, a new sound as the second syllable rather than new sound. Inuit in American English versus Inuit in British English. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.